Hi, I'm Ravenous, the best friend you didn't know you needed, and it is almost Halloween. And you know what that means? Halloween makeup roulette. Oh! That's right, it's Halloween makeup roulette time. I got a lot of new stuff on the wheel, a lot of specific stuff. I'm gonna spin it, see if I got anything in my craft room I can make it with. If I can't, I'm gonna head to Michael's. I'm gonna do this thing. Also, I'm wearing my most Halloween top. You're welcome. Let's do this. Poltergeist, you say? All right. I can actually make that work. Actually, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. Ooh. So, happy Halloween! Okay, so I spun the wheel. I just realized it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm a total fucking psychopath. That's okay. Maybe it'll make me hustle. Just look like a pair of boobs on my head. It's supposed to be like little eyeballs, but it kind of doesn't make any sense because it's like if you wear them here, it's like you still can't do it with your makeup really. Also, it has a little nose, which just kind of makes it look like a penis. It's a whole thing, but I really like it because it makes me feel like a Muppet. Okay, so here we go. So like I said, I got Poltergeist. I wish it wasn't 10 o'clock at night, but I'm a total procrastinator. Be real. That's who you are. Be honest with yourself. So yeah. I have latex here. I have a whole like special effects kit laid out in front of me. But I've got this trick that I've used once before for a photo shoot that I never really like shared anywhere. But it turned out really cool where you split up pieces of yarn and you run it along your skin and it looks really badass. So I'm going to try that. I have this gradient yarn that goes from like greens to tans to blacks, which I think is going to be a cool like color scheme. I'm just going to make a trail of this. This is Spirit Gum. It's a basic glue. It is sticky as fudge. It is not for the weak-hearted. That is the truth. To get the full benefit of it, you want to not use too much, but use enough all at the same time. And then you also want to tap it. Because it won't really work until it's tacky. But you also can't over tap it, because then you can lose the tackiness. I might have to go back over it in a couple spots. I also try and keep only one finger touching the glue if possible, because it will stay tacky, and while you tack it makes it easier. Cool thing about yarn too is you can kind of pull and create these fanned out pieces, which is nice. This part is definitely getting time lapsed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm just going to give myself a quick dusting of translucent powder to get rid of a lot of the extra stickiness and to set the glue so it's not so bad. I'm in the Mehron ProColoRing Bruise 505B right now. I'm in the green color. I'm just kind of going in and accentuating any little valleys. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the yellow from the same palette. I'm going to go in with this Ben Nye FX EW4 Master Bruise wheel. I wanted a little bit more of a blue purpley shade. And then I think I'm going to do just some like generalized bruising like everywhere. Which sounds so silly out of context. Okay, now we're going to go in with a darker one. I'm literally switching back and forth between the two bruise wheels. This is the Urban Decay 24-hour water pencil. Not really going for like a beauty look, so like I'm not trying to be like cute or anything, but I want to at least define the eyes like a micrometer. Now I'm going to go a little destructive because it's not dark enough. I'm currently gluing on the M202 BH Cosmetics glasses. There we go. I need it to be feminized, like just like a hair. I think it's good. It's just time for an outfit and then to force my husband to film for like 5 minutes before he goes to sleep because it is currently 11:06. Ooh, it only took me an hour. Good for me. Poltergeist. Woo, scary. Happy Halloween, bitches! Hopefully I'll be able to do 2 of these, possibly 3, maybe even 4. Ooh, big talk. Probably not. Do you like that crying on camera, by the way? Call me if you ever need a drama actress.
What do you want for your soul?
See you next time. Bye! That was actually kind of awesome. It's actually pretty cool up close. I hope the video came out okay.
He's not wearing underwear.